Hey, what's up, guys? This is your friend Amjad from English TV. Yeah, this is my channel name. You can see it here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we are going to have a look at this idiom. Yeah, have you ever heard about this idiom? Did you read it somewhere? If you didn't, okay, let me tell you with examples, yeah, meanings and examples, and you will understand that. And this is really commonly used in English language, so you should use it if you want to become a fluent speaker, or at least if you want to understand when someone is speaking fluently. This phrase is usually spoken in English movies. Yeah, in Hollywood movies you will find this phrase, and this is really common. You will read it somewhere, and you will hear this phrase in a in a in an English conversation when someone is speaking fluently. Okay, so the phrase is to beat around the bush. To beat around the bush. What does that mean? I'm telling you. Meanings and explanation. This Okay. Have a look at the explanation, and then we will show you the examples as well. Okay, so this idiomatical expression means to go out of selected topic and not to talk about main point. Yeah, it's really obvious. Sometimes your friend will be talking to you, but he will go out of the topic and will talk about something else. Yeah, in this case, you will tell him, please don't beat around the bush. Please be straight to the point. Yeah, so, okay, you will understand by reading the examples on another page. I have them here. Okay, so the examples, yeah, look at them. Okay, I'm pointing it to you with a marker so that you can see it clearly and understand that which line I'm reading. Okay, so the first example is, if you want to ask me, just ask me. Don't beat around the bush. Sometimes people are talking nonsense, and you will get exhausted. You will get annoyed by them because they are talking to you on unfamiliar things. So you will then say to them that, please don't beat around the bush and tell me what you want to ask. Yeah, and I have another example. So the second example is, please don't beat around the bush and tell me what you want, and tell me you want to go with me or not. Yeah, this is the example. It's really, I think, understandable to you guys. Again, let's read it. Please don't beat around the bush and tell me you want to go with me or not. Yeah, don't talk about other things. Just tell me you want to go with me or not. If you don't, I will go. Yeah, in this case, this phrase is used. And third example I have here is that I asked my younger brother if he would go to the market with me or not. I asked my younger brother if he would go to the market with me or not. But he was beating around the bush, so I left him. I left him at the home because he was talking about other things. He was not straight to me. I was asking him whether he would go with me to the market or not, but he was talking about other things. So, yeah, yeah. So, when someone is talking about out of the topic, then it's called to beat around the bush. Yeah, this is really I think a good example for you guys. I have only these three examples, but if you don't understand them, okay, let me know in the comment. I will tell you. I will reply immediately to your comments. Yes, my friend, and I have posted. No, I haven't yet. I'm just now recording. I will post my WhatsApp number in the description box so you can find that from there and you can contact me. Just feel free to ask me any question regarding English language. Yeah, do you see this channel is just a new, is just the beginning of my YouTube channel. So what you want to do and what you should do, you should subscribe because I need your help. I need to get 1,000 subscribers, and without more being said, please, this is my humble request to you again to like this video and subscribe the channel. That will be great. Okay, my friends, so I think it's enough. And if you want, if you want, tell me what sort of video lectures do you need. I will be posting video lectures on the basis of your choices. Yeah, definitely. Believe me, guys. Okay, so I think I should now stop the recording, and now I'm waiting for your uh, comments down there, and I'm waiting for how many subscribers will I get. Okay, that's really crazy. It's really interesting. But please, again, subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and contact me on WhatsApp on my number that I have given in the description box. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Yeah, my name is Amjad. We'll see you in another video lecture. Until then, goodbye. Take care.